Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to estimate nDVI for Landsat 8 datasets. If you like these types of videos, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. To this purpose, I'm gonna add a study area. I try to use a study area that various types of vegetation, water, as well as barrel. I think here it's gonna be inappropriate. Okay, this one is a good option. In order to zoom into my study area, I'm gonna use center object. Geometry, as well as adding as a layer. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna save my code and it can be nDVI. nDVI calculation for Landsat 8. Again, I'm running the code. In order to estimate nDVI for Landsat 8 datasets, first of all, I have to call Landsat 8 data. For this purpose, I'm gonna use Landsat 8. Then in search, I have to look for Landsat 8 datasets. I'm gonna use top reflectance, top of the atmosphere reflectance. And here you can see nDVI is estimated based on near infrared and red bands. As you can see, near infrared is band 5 and red is band 4. And then I'm gonna use these two bands in order to estimate nDVI for Landsat 8 dataset. In the next step, I have to define my study area as well as the date that I'm interested in estimating nDVI. For this, I'm gonna use filter band geometry for defining my study area. Filter date, defining the specific period that I'm interested in calculating nDVI. For this one, I'm thinking of again. I'm gonna estimate for 1 month. In the next step, I'm gonna define a map in order to estimate normalized different vegetation index. For this purpose, it's an easy way to estimate normalized vegetation difference index. I'm gonna show you how to do this. First of all, I'm saying a map. Okay, inside the map function, okay. Then I'm asking return img, and here you can see the index for your purpose. In order to do this, And also some explanation here about the nDVI, how it's estimated first second mentioned to the near infrared as well as the red bands. Okay, here I have to define the specified band that I'm interested in using them for an nDVI estimation. As I said before, for Landsat dataset, near infrared is band 5. And band 4 as a red one. In the next step, I'm gonna clip estimated nDVI to my study area. Okay. We have an error here. I have to see. This is the one that has error for us. Okay, in the next step, I'm gonna print estimated nDVI and also add as a layer. Again, I'm gonna run the code. Stretch in order to visualize better. As you can see here, water, vegetated area, and also I can change to the Google Earth satellite mode, and you can see different types of land cover. Here is with a high brightness means more dense vegetation, also barren lands that you can see here. The variation. In order to export my calculated nDVI, I can use image to drive. In order to do this, I'm gonna use a name image. The name of the dataset I collected is Landsat 8. In the description, I have to name my export file to the Google Drive as the okay. Region of interest is geometry. Scale is 30 meters and max should be 1. No. Again, the code. And so here I can give my calculated nDVI some colors if you are interested in several. Depends on your. Okay, you can see that. The blue one is water. Say you can visualize in a way that suits you. And as you can see, I can download my nDVI to my Google Drive. Let's change this one. I think no, yellow is better for this. Sometimes like this in order to solve this problem. I'm gonna use, because it's a collection of the estimated nDVI for weakness. It's a large data set. In order to decrease its size, we can use, for example, mean nDVI mean, and I can use this one. My collection is Landsat aid. That's mean. Okay. Then here I will replace with the previous ones. This would be nDVI, estimated nDVI. It's mean the average of estimated nDVI for 1 month. But of course we can specify in a, let's say, specify in a small short date, and we can estimate nDVI, for example, for just for one image, without having a lot of images that can cause this problem for us. But I think it was good that we faced this error, because here I show you how to solve this problem as well. So we can here use minimum max, so it depends on your use. And as you can see, it's downloaded. I'm gonna open my Google Drive and download the data. And see here the use options, but I'm gonna save in my desktop. Here I'm gonna use QGIS to use my downloaded nDVI file. Then as you can see here, the nDVI value 18 means vegetation that is dense, that is densely distributed, and minus refers to the wild or what else that you can find here. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.